Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll show us one very important feature here on the Temu app that will help you get premium items for a cheap price, okay? Once you use this feature, you're covered on the Temu app, all right? This is all you need to do. Log into your Temu app. Of course, you already know what you want to buy. I'm going to use an example here. I'll use a bathroom scale for body weight. Let me just search that, and this is what comes up. These are the skills that the app has recommended to me. I don't need to waste my time scrolling and looking for which one is the best and all. No, don't do that. You're going to waste a lot of time if you go through that route. This is the easiest thing to do. Use the sort by feature. All right, just click on here and click on top sales. I'll recommend you go to top sales because when you use that, it's going to bring out the items, that particular item you want, the one that has the highest sales. And what happens when you see an item on Temu with highest sales? It's going to give you an opportunity to read more reviews. And in those reviews, you get to see real pictures of these items, not the edited items that Temu has put up on the app. No, people get to take real pictures. So you see all that in the review. So for an item that has 100,000 sales plus, that means you're going to see more than enough reviews for you to decide if truly you want to buy that item or not. So here I'm seeing a lot. The first item here is 450k sold. So you can imagine the review alone is 33,000. I have the opportunity to go through 33,000 reviews for this bathroom scale. And I can see that once I click on it, I can see that people has given it up to 5 stars. Some people gave 4.5 stars. So without even spending much time, I can see that this is really a nice item, like it's a good item. I'm just scrolling through and I can see that so many people like this particular item. So here's another trick I'll teach us. So let's say you've used this sort by and you've decided that okay, you want a particular one because of course it's going to show you different manufacturers of different, type of the same item you want. So I want this particular design, but I want to see, other manufacturers, how much they sell for. Because this particular one is going for €12 and 21 cents. So all you need to do is this, tap on the picture and tap on this icon. And you'll see that same exact item being sold at different prices. That is because different manufacturers are selling, the same kind of item. So the one I actually saw first is the first one here. And you can see others for 13.9. And again, use the top sales feature. I click on top sales and you can see the first one has 450,000 sold. The other one is 10,000 sold, 3.6k sold. Just I can now spend a little bit of time here going through these items. You see how it helps narrow down your search. Unlike when you just, type in the first thing you want to buy on the Temu app and it brings out so many things for you, it's actually confusing. But if you use the method that I've just shown us now, it's not going to be confusing anymore. It's going to help narrow down your search. Before you know it, you've chosen the particular one you want to buy and you've added it to your cart and you're on your way to the next thing. So that is it. I hope this helps. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.